Hello, Hidden Mana here. Just want to do a quick little video here. I've never tried this screen sharing. Basically wanted to show my mom. When you look up virus on the internet, this is what you get. All completely CGI pictures. Through research, you cannot see these through the microscopes that we have, so it's all theoretical. Now, if you look up the Latin meaning of the word virus, what you come up with here is that basically it's a poison. And when you look at the structure of a virus, they're non-living. It's a non-living, non-cellular organism that carries RNA or DNA, like programmable. So basically a virus, that's why they always appear to look like a little machine. It's a poison that they're administering through this entity. There's nothing that's dead that acts alive. So the other thing I wanted to go over here for you, so you don't get too worried, is like the common cold is the coronavirus. I don't know, I can't seem to, this thing's not working for me. Common cold is a viral infection of the upper respiratory tract. Mostly commonly implicated virus is a rhinovirus. Picornis virus, also known as stereotypes of virus. Other implicated virus, human corneovirus. So, I could see, like I was watching Owen Benjamin, he's talking about bacteria. You can see how like bacteria has a reason to come in. It wants to live. It's a living entity. It wants to reproduce, and it takes over your body. But these are non-living entities that seem to go in, spread, and get your body to reproduce, turn your own cells against you. Seems like a little bit of a... So, you can always tell with the Latin. Once I looked into the Latin thing and you see that the Latin meaning is poison. Poison is usually, well, it's something that kills you. But it's often associated with something given to someone to poison them, you know what I mean? So this is just a basic test to see if I can do this screen sharing. So...